Everyone wants healthy, beautiful and clean skin without blemishes. However, skin color is lost due to various reasons. Today we will show you how to whiten your skin permanently with lemon peel. First, take 2 tablespoons lemon peel in a bowl. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C, which can help in lightening dark spots on the skin. You can try spot treatment and rub lemon juice on the affected area for a few seconds. Once dry, rinse the area with cool water. Repeat this process every day to fade the spots. Add 2 tablespoons yogurt. The lactic acid in yogurt, along with its abundant nutrients, can help exfoliate and moisturize the skin, tighten skin pores, manage dandruff, soothe itching, and nourish the skin and hair. Keep in mind to use only plain yogurt with high fat content to reap its skin and hair benefits. Add 2 tablespoons rice powder. Rice flour packs are extremely beneficial in maintaining oil levels in the skin. This means that it absorbs the excess oils, thus leaving just enough to nourish the skin. Further, less oil on the skin helps control conditions such as blackheads, whiteheads, and acne. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Add half tablespoon turmeric powder. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. These characteristics may provide glow and luster to the skin. Turmeric may also revive your skin by bringing out its natural glow. You may want to try a turmeric face mask at home to see if the spice has any positive effects on your skin. Add 3 tablespoons raw milk. Skin cell damage results in dead skin cells that give the face a dry and dull look. Raw milk is a rich source of fats, water, carbohydrates, proteins, and vitamin A. When applied to the face, it acts as a moisturizer and helps eliminate dead skin cells, thus giving the face a natural glow. Mix well. Apply this mixture all over the face and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, clean it off with water. Now you can see my face is so much fair, glowing and bright. Use it 3 to 4 times a week for best results. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, visit our websites.